I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Down the highway, representing for the ones we lost along the way.
Good start.
Yeah. He loves this car, don't you, buddy?
Yeah.
I remember, buddy.
Watch out.
What? Is that good? Say go, horsey. There is absolutely nothing better than when your kid loves riding in the car. Yeah. So what would you tell everyone viewing about the Mustang? It makes you happy? Yeah. That's cool. Are you ready? You ready? I'm gonna let you drive here in a minute. You wanna drive? Yeah. Think you can drive? Yeah. Think so? I think you'd look pretty cool driving a Mustang. So now we're waiting on car wash because Auto Kings, my car club, has an event today. And it's actually the first event that I'm not running everything. I actually left up the event and everything to a couple of my club members, and they put it all together, set it up, got the plaques, did the advertising, and we're going to see how their event planning went today. And so once we get Echo cleaned up, we'll be heading over there and show y'all some cool cars. Hopefully. I could have drifted it, but I decided not to. All right, so we're heading to this car show now. I didn't bother showing the car wash because I just rinsed the car off, and everyone does the car wash thing, so why would we waste our time with that?
5 minutes later.
Yeah, there you go. It's club members mainly. Where'd the Mustang go, the white one? So different members of Auto King set this meet up. Car show. Woo! Look at that! Look at that! That's Coda. What up, Donut?
What's good, bro?
Let me tell you about my friends. My ride or dies to the very end. They say that we are crazy. We don't act our age, yeah, maybe. 105 down the highway.
Modern Muscle is Connor Beeson.
Echo's finally got a reward. I have never ever won a reward for the Mustang. The Mustang's never won a reward. I won Best in Show from Modern Muscle, even though it was hosted by Auto Kings, my car club. It was two of our members' first event that they've ever put together. So the first event's always the hardest. We did have a pretty good turnout though for what it was, and I'm very proud of my members. Charles, Elijah, if you guys are watching this, you guys did fantastic. I didn't even know that my car was entered into the show, so that was cool. Thank you to Elijah for that. Man, that was cool. I've never won anything, so I was pretty excited to see that I got a reward, and Echo now has a reward for Best in Show. That's really cool, and I'm really proud of my crew, and I'm pretty excited to see what happens next. So the goal is to get this car famous enough. It's already locally famous.
See, now that's some bullshit.
Yeah. But it's okay. We want to get it to where it's good enough to where I can fully restore it, get it in perfect condition, so I can give it to him someday. Now, how cool would that be? Have a YouTube channel blow up because of a certain car, and then be able to give it to my son someday. What would you say about that, buddy? Someday, that's right.